Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to vlog today. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. It's been forever. I feel like the last time I vlogged was for the Fenty event. I'm not sure, I think that's what it was. So today's currently Wednesday. I usually work on a Wednesday, but I had a day in lieu that I was able to use, so I thought I would use it today because I'm gonna get my hair done. So I decided to book in with my really good friend Coco, or Korhan. I call him Korhan, but everyone calls him Coco. I'll have his Instagram down below if you want to check out his work or anything, but pretty much I'm going there today. I really need a trim because my hair is dead and it needs a good cut. I'm going to get it re-dyed. I guess it's so faded, my roots are like down here. I've just been so lazy with my hair, but I'm gonna make a coffee, so come over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, wait, what is the time? It's 11:30 a.m. I've been up for a few hours now. I put on some makeup. Oh, you can really see my highlight there. I got some like editing done. I'm actually going to make a dinner before I leave, even though it's early. I'm going to put it in the slow cooker so it can kind of cook while I'm out. And so when I get home, and when Jared gets home from work, food's done and I don't need to do anything. I put a lot of coffee. I've got a problem. I always do that and then I complain how anxious I am because I've just had way too much coffee, but I like a good coffee. A strong coffee is probably not a good idea because I'm feeling a little anxious today. I'm not really sure what about. Oh my god, my hair looks so long, like just looking at it from here, but I'm gonna get like, I'm gonna chop it all off. It's like dead. There's like nothing to it down here. I've got new hair extensions as well. I'll show you guys. Not sponsored, I bought these myself. So I ended up getting Zala hair extensions. I've never used these before. I paid like almost $400 for these. But I am willing to pay for good hair. I don't know if it's good hair because it's my first time trying it. I got, I think 24 inch, which is too long for me. I'm probably going to cut them. And I think it's 250 grams of hair. And the color I got, I think originally these are $400, but I found like a coupon code online. Someone's coupon code, I don't know who. This is what the color looks like. I believe the color is called Top Deck. So it is brown, but it's got like, kind of like an ashiness to it. There's also like tiny bits of blonde through it, but it's barely noticeable. So I thought maybe a good in between. You can see how warm my hair is. It's like almost orange. So that's the color. But yeah, we'll see what happens today. I'm pretty excited to just get a treatment and sit there and have someone wash my hair, well, Korhan washing my hair, or Shantae, either one. I can't wait to sit there and do nothing. Shantae, you stay. So what I'm going to make is honey, garlic, honey soy garlic chicken thighs. I'm using thighs. I believe like they're the best in the slow cooker. Otherwise I won't really go out of my way to eat chicken thigh. I don't know, it's just not my favorite bit, but it's usually good, I don't know, in the slow cooker. So I did see like a little quick recipe on YouTube. I've never made this before. Usually what I do with the chicken thighs is put them in there or do like apricot chicken. Not everyone likes apricot chicken. I love it. A lot of people don't like it because they grew up eating that. I never grew up eating it, so I love it. Or like just putting it in there with veggies or whatever. But I'm gonna try something different. It looks pretty simple. 4 half teaspoons of garlic. So 2 teaspoons. I only used my minced garlic the other night and now I don't know where it is, and I have a feeling I might have left it on the bench and Jared's probably put it somewhere where it's not meant to be. So I'm just gonna have to chop up garlic because I don't know where the hell that minced garlic has gone. Half a cup of soy sauce. Half a cup of ketchup, which I'm just going to use tomato sauce. By the way, I'm getting this recipe off Cooking with Yadi. I will have her channel linked down below. She's only got quite a small channel. This video has quite a lot of views though, so I'm assuming a lot of people look it up. But I'll leave her channel down below anyway. Oh Jesus. 1/3 of a cup of honey. Okay, she also said use dried parsley and oregano. She said it really nicely. I sound so Australian. I'm like, oregano. I'm not even gonna measure it. I'm just gonna shove a bit in. And then she said just whisk it all up together. I'm just gonna use a fork. By the way, I don't have any parsley, so I'm just gonna leave it out. I'm using skinless chicken thighs, by the way. And then you're just gonna pour this over the chicken, pretty much. So this is what it looks like. I know it looks super appetizing. Yum, raw chicken. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to set it on low. She said set it on high, but I know how my slow cooker works, so it's just gonna depend, I reckon. I feel like with mine, when I put it on high, like the chicken dries out really quickly, like in a few hours. So I like to put it on low because that still gives me a good 4 or 5 hour mark of cooking without it getting dry. Because if I put it on high and then go get my hair done, this shit's gonna dry out and I need it to stay juicy. So I'm sitting in my beauty room. As you can tell, the background is different to what you normally see. So this background is for my Maybelline videos. If you guys didn't know, I did a bunch of videos with the Maybelline team over on the Maybelline YouTube channel, which is the Maybelline Makeup Loft. There's a bunch of other beautiful girls doing videos on there. I'm sure you know a lot of them, especially Nakia. Nakia is one of my really good friends and she's doing videos for them as well. But the other day I just filmed my very last one. I've done, I think, 19 videos in total. I've been filming with them for over a year now. I feel like that's why I've been like a little bit behind on my channel, like a lot behind, not a little bit, because I've been filming, well, trying to film for my channel, but also filming for them, and I just feel like my channel's taken a back seat. But now that I filmed my last one and I edited it last night, so it's all done, which means 100% of my time is going into my own channel, and I'm so happy. Like, I had so much fun with Maybelline. The girls there, they're awesome. I love them. Maybelline, hands down, is one of the easiest brands I've ever worked with in my life. They just really give you the reins, I guess. Like with the videos, like they will give you ideas, but they always say, like, if you guys have any ideas, like, let us know and go ahead and do what you want to do. And they're just so easygoing, so lovely, and I don't know, I just can't thank Maybelline enough. They've been one of the best brands to work with, like, that I've ever worked with. I'm gonna have to go soon. I've got like foundation, banana lips.
Hey!
Hello. I'm at Coco DeVille's salon.
She's gonna get transformed today.
Look at my roots.
Oh my god. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
So her ends are very warm.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eliminate the warmth as much as possible. Her extensions that she's ordered
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Zala, sponsor us. They're very ashy, so
you can see the warmth through them in the camera, which is so funny.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So they do have a little bit of warmth. So we're not going to pick up every single hair on her head, but we're going to do the foils very, very fine. She does not like to see any stripes.
No.
So these weaves are going to be like, what weave, honey?
They're going to be tired.
So stay tuned. I literally took over yours.
He took over my vlog.
Ashley brought me some lunch today as well.
Ooh. So this is the first bleach done, yeah?
Yes.
Oh my god, I look like a different person
Oh
already.
my god, she's cleaner.
Cleaner.
She's more blended at the top.
I love it.
And then once we tone it, it's going to be nice and ashy.
Yeah.
And the foils are just going to melt through the brown. Look
Like,
at that.
I know you're
Hairgasm.
not...
Hairgasm.
I know you're like not even done, but I'm already like so excited.
Ah, good. Alright guys, we've finally finished with Senay's hair, so let's have a look. Woohoo!
How good does it look? I love it. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm like,
Let's look at that colour.
I'm so happy with it. I think this is the color. It probably looks a little lighter in camera, but this is a color that I've wanted probably for years.
For a long time.
Years. And I just never committed, or I think my hair wasn't in a very good state for ages as well.
We lightened it twice and it still feels really good. To get it this ashy, we need to lighten it twice.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm home now. It is currently almost 10 p.m. at night. I'm going to take off this makeup very soon and take off these lashes because I'm over it. I'm in my beauty room. Jared's playing computer. I was just telling Jared that I've been getting a lot of comments lately about you guys commenting on my videos and saying, are you and your boyfriend still together? Because I haven't had him in any videos in years, probably. Like, it's been years. But yeah, we're definitely still together. We've been together for 7 years now, which is quite a while. Me and Jared moved into this house, I think almost 2 years ago, or 2 years ago now. We bought this house, so I can't believe where that time's gone, and I can't believe where 7 years has gone. So ignore the background. It is trashed back there. I don't really want to show you because it's pretty embarrassing, but I am in the process of cleaning up this beauty room. I'm reorganizing everything. I'm going to change my background again, and I bought a third drawer for my makeup, which shows that I've got a problem with hoarding makeup. But I'm going to rearrange everything in the drawers back there, and then I'll probably film a makeup collection or like a beauty room tour. I'm not sure if you guys would like to see that, but I think I might do it anyway. I've been meaning to do this for years, but yeah, I've been lazy and I just haven't organized it to exactly what I want. I thought I would show you guys some PR that I got today. I do have another post slip that I've got out there, but I didn't have time to pick it up today with getting my hair done. I'm pretty sure it is the new Naked Reloaded palette from Mecca. I'm not completely sure, but I think that's what it is because I saw everyone else getting it, and then I had like a post slip. I ended up getting the Maybelline Makeup Game Strong limited edition. I don't know, it's makeup in collaboration with Puma, and for all my Americans, I know you guys say Puma, I'm pretty sure. Why isn't this focusing? As an Australian, we say Puma, which is like a sports brand, which is like such an odd collaboration in my opinion, but you know, we'll just go with it. So this is what we've got here. So this is the little pamphlet. We've got Superstay Matte Ink Lips in different shades. I'm not sure if they're in different shades or they're just like repackaged. I think they might be different. Matte Metallic Eye Duo Stick, Chrome Highlighter, Color Gloss Face Duo Stick, and Smudge Resistant Mascara. I'm not sure if like this makeup is meant to be like for gym wearers or it's just a collaboration. I probably wouldn't wear this makeup to the gym, but you know, everyone can do exactly what they want because it doesn't affect me. So this is the highlighter. It looks really beautiful. What color is this in? It's in the color 08 Knockout, so it actually isn't repackaged because the other ones are in Molten Gold, Molten Rose Gold, and then there's like a white chrome one, so it looks like these ones are actually new products. These are all limited edition. I think these are the eye sticks, and yeah, and then we've got that glossy thing for the cheeks and for like highlighting and stuff. I don't know why my camera is not focusing, but yeah, I think that's it. I'm actually really tired. I've got work tomorrow, so I have to get up at 6 and get up pretty early, so I'm going to go. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog and you enjoyed watching me get my hair done. I love it so much. I'm so happy with it. You guys would have seen it better before in the better lighting. I've taken out my extensions now, so this is just my hair. I'm in love. It's amazing. I am going to leave Korhan's Instagram down below, or Coco, whatever you want to call him. I'm not sure if he's still taking new clients. If you guys are in the area, just follow him and he'll always post when he is taking new clients, and then you guys can inquire. And I think that's it. I don't know how long this vlog's gonna go for. Hopefully it's not too long, but at the same time, I hope you guys maybe enjoy longer videos because I personally do. I think I'm just procrastinating now. Okay, I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.